Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So changing your country or region on Prime Video isn't done directly inside the app. It depends on your Amazon account settings, billing address, and sometimes your actual location. So first thing first, go to Amazon account settings. Okay, so open Amazon website, not Prime Video directly. Okay. Sign into your account, okay, and Prime Video settings are controlled via Amazon. Okay, so access your country region settings by going to account and list here. Okay, click your content and devices. Okay, so you have to find it here. Okay, tap this, select the preferences tab. Okay, so we have here the preferences tab, tap it. This is where region settings are managed. Okay, so now change your country or region. So find country region settings. Okay, so as you can see here, it's the first one almost. Okay, so tap change. Okay, then you can choose. Okay, choose here the country you want. So valid address must match the region. You may need a local billing address. Okay, so update payments method, so add or update a payments method linked to the new country. Some regions require local codes or billing info. Okay, so after that, confirm changes, save your new region settings. Amazon will update your account region. Okay, so changes may take effect immediately or after sign out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.